Well, let's do the unboxing of the new Geotab Go Anywhere. So when we open that up, you've got your QR code with some instructions. Inside we're going to find the device itself, and we're going to have our magnetic sticker for activation. You've got your serial numbers you can use to keep track of the device and your records. Inside of here as well, we've got our powerful magnets, and these magnets I'll show later in the video. You can attach to the bottom of the Go Anywhere tracker, and this allows you to stick it up underneath anything with metal, attach it to a metal frame, etc., etc. So to activate your Go Anywhere device, as it says right here, remove to activate. So this is a sticker and a magnet, and there you go. As you remove that, it'll bring it to life. This sticker you can then discard. On the bottom of your Go Anywhere device, you've got your serial number, and this will report to your Geotab database just like any other device. So the Go Anywhere device comes with a set of magnets, and as Geotab says inside of the sticker here, they're very powerful magnets, so be careful with those, as they could harm electronics, things of that nature. Each one, you'll notice here, has a threaded hole in it, and you can take that with the provided screws and thread those in to the bottom and have it set up that you can just attach it with the magnets. There's 3 of them, so one on one side, and there's room for 2 on the far side right here. Now inside of the package, again, you have your 3 magnets. They have a threaded hole, and there's a separate package of threaded bolts in there that will fit into that, not to be confused with the self-tapping metal screws that also come in the kit for affixing it to fixed object. To separate these magnets, it's very, very strong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert one of them into the hole, and then using a set of pliers be able to pull them apart. So what I've done here is lightly screw in the provided threaded bolt that goes with it, and now it gives you something much more robust to grab onto with a set of pliers, and then I can pull this apart to separate it. So tilting it to the side will work best. Trying to pull it directly away doesn't work as well because it's very strong, but pushing it sideways, you can separate them much easier that way. So using the supplied bolts that come with it, you've got 1 on one side and 2 on the other side. They've got a Phillips screw head attachment, and you can screw those in so they're good and tight, and then you're ready to affix this to the bottom or the side or the top, any asset that you want to track. Let's do some of that next. So the Go Anywhere device will show up on the map just like any of your other Geotab devices. So in this case, we have the GPS to Go test account. I've got the Go Anywhere device right here, and then I can see right where it is, and it will show us the last known location. It will also give you trip history, just the same as you would get from a Go device, only it will hold on to all the data and show you that once, twice, or 3 times a day. So for instance, you'll get a breadcrumb trail that will look the same as what you're expecting, and you can set that up if we look at the settings of the device. So if we go into the Go Anywhere GPS, I can go in under settings, and in here we have Go Anywhere settings. So you can set this up for your frequency, once a day, twice a day, or 3 times a day. So again, the difference with this is it doesn't just give you 3 dots on a map per day, it will give you all the actions of what happened with that asset once, twice, or 3 times a day, where you'll get this kind of a breadcrumb trail that you're used to seeing. The other thing with this is if you do have a problem and you need to put it into theft recovery, asset recovery mode, you can turn it on and it will send out a heartbeat every 5 minutes. So I can click on this and turn that on. So if you need it to report faster because the device maybe is on something that's been stolen, you have that option. The other part of all of this, you can get the details here on our Geotab marketplace, which is open to the public. So again, the Go Anywhere device, our specifications are all here. And so it's good for containers, construction equipment. You can read the rest, everything is here. As well, some of the really great parts, asset utilization, know which assets are being used and which are not. Right? You've got your daily updates again, and a long battery life, up to 10 years.